My wife and kids bought me a pizza oven for Father's Day. And of course, I had to put an Indian twist on a traditional pizza, right? It starts with a tomato chutney sauce that is out of this world. Temper crushed coriander and cumin into hot oil and immediately add our diced onions. We're gonna let that saute for 3 minutes, stirring constantly. Next, add ginger root. Saute for 3 more minutes, stirring constantly. And now we're ready for the chili pepper. This is where you can really personalize it. I like it hot. So I'm using Serranos. You're gonna cook that for about another 3 minutes. Now we're ready for the crushed red tomato. Pour that in. Turn the heat down to low so that it can simmer and thicken. Last, add sugar, red chili flake, and métis. We're gonna give that a stir and let simmer for about another 5 minutes. All right, last thing, lemon juice and salt and pepper. And that's it, we're ready to make pizzas. I've got store-bought pizza crust naan, an Indian flatbread. We've got our tomato chutney sauce and then paneer. And what I have here is some summer squash, tomatoes and peppers, all tossed in garam masala, ginger, and garlic. Next, we're gonna add some goat cheese for that creamy tang that it will lend. And finally, Parmesan, but just a sprinkle. And that's it, we're ready to go. Let's head outside to our pizza oven. I'm gonna give it a good shake. And then you're gonna wanna rotate it as it cooks so that it doesn't burn. That looks delicious.